everyone. Welcome to my channel Biology All-in-One. Today we are discussing the first unit of 8th SSC Biology textbook, that is nothing but what is science. But before of that, welcome to the biology class. Okay, see my dear children, up to now, up to 7th class, you have a science book which is having biology, physics and chemistry topics together in one textbook. While coming to the 8th class, you are having a textbook separately only for biology. See, in this 8th class, we have our first topic as what is science. See my dear children, up to now, you are already known about the science. The science is nothing but the knowledge that whatever having. Nowadays, I am teaching here, but you are watching somewhere. How it is happening? That is just because of the knowledge. That is just because of the science. See, the science is nothing but the acquiring the knowledge. While I am teaching something, you are gaining some information. The scientists who are following the scientific methods to do something, to do a discovery or to do an invention, they are following some methods and they are implementing that, and they're bringing something out which we don't know up to now. So that is nothing but the science. The science is nothing but exploring the knowledge. We have different kinds of the scientists working upon the different kinds of the things. See, in this unit, first of all, you are going to learn about only the science. What is science? See, first of all, I'll tell you that what is science. Science is nothing but, as I'm saying, and not only me, many other scientists told that science is nothing but knowledge. You are having knowledge. You are doing something work. Nowadays, we are using different kinds of the mobiles, laptops, PCs and all. But if you give that mobile to your grandma cannot operate it. Why it is not happening? Why she cannot manage it? Because she don't know. She is not developed with such kind of the knowledge. They see here that science got developed in you. Likewise, here, if you see this word, the science is derived from the Latin word scientia. Many will pronounce it as scientia. It is not scientia, it is scientia. See, the science is derived from the Latin word scientia, which means knowledge. Which means knowledge. You are acquiring the knowledge. Acquiring the knowledge. Not only acquiring the knowledge, you are exploring your knowledge. You are using different kinds of the methods. Now you are cooking the rice in the rice cooker. That is your knowledge. That is the science. And now you are preparing different kinds of the things by using different kinds of the materials. That is knowledge. You are being in the AC rooms. That is knowledge. You are using mobiles. That is knowledge. You are acquiring the knowledge by having different kinds of the things. See how this knowledge comes out. By doing the discoveries as well as inventions. Do you know what is the difference between the discovery and the invention? See, discovery is nothing but the thing which is already exists on this earth, but we don't know up to now. For example, Anthony van Leeuwenhoek is the scientist who discovered the bacteria for the first time. Robert Hooke is the scientist who discovered the cell for the first time. Robert Brown is the scientist who discovered the nucleus for the first time. Means those all are discoveries. Means which is already there on this earth, but we don't know. But those are not coming to the existence. Means that is not under the popularity. Such kinds of the things are known as discoveries. The method which they are following is known as discovery. Understand? What is invention? Invention. Do you know what is invention? Penicillin was invented by the scientist called as Alexander Fleming. Actually, it is there, but it is not as a medicine. Understand? See, that is nothing but an invention. Understand? Which is not there on this earth, and they are implementing that and they are forming that. Understand? Such kind of the materials are known as inventions. Tesla invented Tesla coil. Like Thomas Alva Edison invented the bulb, which is not there on this earth. Graham Bell invented the phone, which is not there on this earth. You are using car, mobile, TV. Like that, Longbird invented the TV. Means here, which is not there on this earth, but they are trying to do something. Means which is not there on this earth. That is an invention. And by doing some inventions, we are having many luxurious things now in our houses. See, discovery and the inventions. By doing the discoveries as well as the inventions, now we are having different kinds of the things which makes us feel happy. Right? See, the total science is totally depending upon the discoveries and inventions. To do the discoveries and inventions, we are having a number of scientists. Geologists are there, biologists are there, different kinds of the earth scientists are there. Like we are having different kinds of the scientists. In that scientist, Karl Popper is one of the scientists. He said that the science is nothing but corrected mistake. Science is nothing but corrected mistakes. God has created this earth. We believe that. While coming to the science, science does not believe it. See, whatever the mistake got created by the God, those mistakes are corrected by the science. Understand? By having some knowledge, we are correcting the mistakes. The correcting mistakes is nothing but correcting mistake is nothing but science was said by the scientist Karl Popper. Einstein also said the science is very, very important. Not only the Einstein, not only the Karl Popper, many other scientists, Aristotle, different kinds of the scientists who are just doing the discoveries and inventions, feeling very proud about the science. The science is correcting mistakes. The science is nothing but the exploring the knowledge. The science is giving many information to the many generations. See, because of science only we are having medicines. Because of science only we are having dresses. Because of science only we are having everything with us. Wireless internet connection we are using just because of the science. Wireless telephones we are using that just because of the science. We are implementing different kinds of the things. Whatever there in the nature, by using those things we are creating new things. That is just because of the science only. How you are doing that? Investigation. Investigation is the main thing for the science. For example, in your house, there is a problem with your light. What you will do? You will go and check the holder first of all. And what you will do? You are doing some investigation upon that. What you are doing, your holder you will check. And you will check the switch first of all. First of all, after checking the switch, you will go near to the holder and you will check the holder how it is working. And after that, what you will see, you will check the bulb, whether it is having the filament or not. If it is not having the filament in that, you are coming to a conclusion that it doesn't contain the filament got burned out. How it is happening? That is knowledge. That is nothing but the knowledge. See, likewise, you are having different kinds of the discoveries and inventions. You are categorizing the plants and animals are differentiated to each other, and plants are like this and animals are like this. You are saying. You are differentiating that. Plants are flora and animals are fauna. Like that, you are differentiating. That is just because of your inventions. And you see, in the species also, what are endangered species, what are extinct species. All these species you are categorizing. How you are categorizing? That is just because of the knowledge. That is just because of the science. The science is nothing but the exploring the knowledge. For example, if I give 3 buckets of water in a same length and I ask you to measure, measure the length of the water, you can easily measure by using the scale or anything. That is knowledge. And if I give 3 different towels, like turkey towel, cotton towel, woolen towel, different kinds of the towels. If I ask you to soak in the water and I ask you to measure that which is absorbing the more water, you can easily say. How can you say that? That is just because of the knowledge. If I give different kinds of the stones and I ask you to separate, because I ask you to separate, what you will do? You will do the separation. You will do the segregation in that by depending upon the size, shape, structure. You can separate it. How it is happening? That is the knowledge. If I give same stones to the person who is physically or mentally handicapped, he cannot do because he doesn't know that. So, whatever the knowledge you are gaining, that knowledge is just because of the science. Science is nothing but the acquiring knowledge. Knowledge is nothing but which you are today. Understand? The science came from the Latin word which means scientia. Latin word scientia, which means knowledge. Understand? There are 2 different kinds of the scientists who worked upon the science. Not only the 2 different scientists. 2 different scientists have given the information. Many scientists. Now we are seeing that different kinds of the scientists are getting Nobel Prize by doing discovery upon that, by doing invention on this, like this. We are listening. All those are happening just because of the science. If you have knowledge, you have enough science in your mind. Understand? Thank you.